Have you ever taken a slice of watermelon on a hot day and felt like you just ascended to fruit heaven? Yeah, me too. But if you're managing diabetes, that heavenly bite might come with a not-so-sweet surprise. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Today, we're diving into the juicy truth about the best and worst fruits for diabetics. Because not all fruit is created equal, especially when your blood sugar's watching like a hawk. Now, before you go tossing every apple and banana out of your kitchen, don't panic. Fruit isn't the enemy. In fact, many fruits are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that actually help regulate blood sugar. The trick is knowing which ones are your friends and which are, well, frenemies. Best fruits for diabetics. Let's start with the good guys, fruits that are low on the glycemic index. That's a fancy scale that measures how fast food spikes your blood sugar. 1. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. These little guys are basically nature's candy with benefits. They're low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. Plus, you can sprinkle them on yogurt and suddenly feel like you're starring in a health commercial. 2. Apples with the skin. An apple a day keeps the blood sugar at bay when eaten whole. Apples are full of fiber, especially in the skin, and they digest more slowly than juice, which helps keep glucose levels steady. Just skip the apple juice. It's basically sugar water in disguise. 3. Cherries. These are a bit of a sweet cheat. They taste indulgent but have a surprisingly low glycemic index. Bonus. They may help fight inflammation, which is a win for overall health. 4. Pears. Another fiber-packed winner. Just like apples, keep the skin on for the full benefits. And unlike your ex, they only get sweeter with time. Worst fruits for diabetics. Okay, now for the fruit faux pas, the ones that can cause blood sugar to spike like a caffeinated squirrel. 1. Watermelon. I know, it's refreshing and delicious, but it's also high on the glycemic index. A few chunks? Fine. Half the melon? Your glucose monitor might start screaming. 2. Pineapple. Tropical? Yes. Trouble? Also, yes. Pineapple is very high in natural sugars and tends to hit your bloodstream like a freight train. If you must indulge, keep portions tiny. 3. Grapes. These pop-in-your-mouth sugar bombs are sneaky. A few turn into a handful, and before you know it, you've eaten enough sugar to power a kindergarten birthday party. 4. Dried fruits. Raisins, dates, etc. They sound healthy, but drying fruit concentrates the sugars. A small handful can have as much sugar as a candy bar. And let's be honest, if you're going for the sugar rush, you might as well just have the chocolate. So what's the takeaway? You don't need to break up with fruit. You just need to set some boundaries. Focus on fresh, whole fruits with fiber. And remember, portion size is everything. Diabetes doesn't mean giving up the sweet life. It just means getting a little smarter about it. And hey, your pancreas will thank you. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to a healthy and fulfilling life. You need to remember, your greatest wealth is your health.